favorite story. This story here is full of action. Here we go. Romance. And it is guaranteed to be in strong consideration for an award at the end of the calendar year. This story is Beauty Pool. And the Wolver Beast. So I mounted police. We went deep, deep into the dark forest. It was dark. It was scary. It was like going to a Waffle House at 3 a.m. on a Tuesday. Just for a photo.
You get one. Get off. Come on. All right, let's go. Do this for you, though. I'm doing this for you, kid.
South up here, Wolvie. You haven't mentioned the best parts of the story. What about Mrs. Potts and her wonderful son, Chip? Lumiere and all your furniture just for not letting them inside. Huh. This is a weird story, huh?
You think so?
Yeah, I hope all the other Disney stories are happier than that. Hey, Wolvie, why don't you say the magic words?
Don't touch me. What magic words? Let's go. We gotta go. No time to
Wolvie. This is a special ever after. Residuals are terrible. Did anybody see Once Upon a Deadpool? Yeah, most people don't even know it exists, right? Hey, safe travels, all right?
You were going to do the window, but the two scooters that got in the way.
Nathan, the picture. Get out of it.
Okay, I'll let it say like
Arrested.
Once again, for all you travelers, smugglers, and bounty hunters out there, the name is DJ Rex, and I'm piloting live from the cockpit here in Focus Cantina, all the way back to the far reaches at the other side of Electrifier Outpost. This set is brought to you by Sabi and Sun Salvage, Woodmaker's Craft.
All right. Nice to see you.
It's always good to
Can I
see
get a
you.
picture to hug?
Good to see you.
Okay, I like that.
What's your language, Tom? And check the laser cannons. Who knows what space debris you'll run into? All right.
Attention, if you're going to Alderaan today, you're not. All flights to Alderaan have been canceled. Please see a gate attendant for rebooking. I'm sure everything is fine. I've seen you before. Sure. Good to see you again. I'm programmed to say that. Keep moving. Keep your party together. Unless you're not crazy about your party, and then feel free to take separate flights. No. Good. Keep it moving. Keep it moving, one step in front of the other. Nice job, pal. Move along, move along. Nicely done. You've done this before, haven't you? You people seem to know what you're doing. Almost like you've been doing it all day long. Keep it tight. Keep it close together, not too close. Greetings, sir and/or madam. We know that you have a choice of space lines, and who are we kidding? You really don't. So move along. Let's keep it moving. My scanner is able to identify over 14,000 different species of life forms. Human, Wookiee. Oh, I'm sorry. Human?
Wookiee!
Are you sure you aren't at least part Wookiee?
Part Wookiee.
Okay.
Little bit Wookiee.
Looking good. Looking good here.
Thank you, brother.
Cooperation is mandatory. No thanks seems necessary. Keep it moving. That's it. I see you've flown 1,000,000 miles with us. You don't fly very often, do you? Keep it moving. There you go. Let's keep it moving. Keep in mind that all carry-ons must fit in the overhead compartment. I've just been informed that there are no overhead compartments. Well, carry on. Good.
By a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
And they have these back. Squeak! Screw it back.
Guys, I hope you guys come to Disneyland next time. It's Halloween time. A lot of treats.
Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, no Darth by chocolate this time?
On this treat. Please, I have it in my bag.
No, I believe you. I know. We know about it. Yeah.
They gotta know.
Very good. Look at that. Beautiful. And they still probably have those. I got to head over there. And they have this again, so I got this bad boy.
That was really cool.
Very
we were gonna get
excited.
it last time, but I'm like, I just have no more room for any of that stuff. So it's like, that's it. So now we get them, we just give them away.
It's great to see you guys.
And this is called the bulgogi. I remember this from last year. Yum, yum, yum. All right, ooh, get in there.
Cheese pull.
Oh, yeah, look at us. Oh, that's fantastic.
Isn't that cheese pull?
Oh, we're so good at this.
All the cheese. Let's go on the table.
All right, and then it goes in the soup. Thank you.
It's DJ Rex.